All right, what's up, guys? This is Shabir with Wholesale Connect and Travel, bringing you guys up with a brand new video. In this video, I'm actually talking about PLACEMAT Specialist Limited. They are the manufacturer here, and the prices. We're gonna go over some prices. We're gonna go over some of the MOQ, and then we're gonna also talk to the owner right here. All right, so he's going to be talking about his products and everything. The material, the pieces right here, what I'm looking at, it is actually very well made, and these are the premium quality. This is just one design I'm showing you guys, and then we are actually going to go over multiple designs and then patterns for you guys. And look at all this right here. So like this particular one that I show you with this matte finishing, with this flat finishing right here, they have 3 different colors here. Okay, not just one, and there's tons of more. So we're gonna go over, let's go over. I'm gonna show you some more of their colors and packages right here. Okay, so here, take a look at this right here. Look at all the colors. All right, and then they also, sorry, I just bumped into someone. And take a look at this right here. All right, this is just the starting, and this is only some of the display they have. I'm actually gonna have Michael. He is the owner of this place. Are you the owner or the?
Yeah. The owner.
Okay, so I have Michael. He's gonna be talking about his company. How cool is that? And we'll find out, how long he's been in this field, and all the questions. Okay, so here, take a look at it. This is just few pieces I'm showing you. All right, so as you can see, each design, each pattern has multiple colors on this right here, so you guys can choose any colors, and I guess you can also request any colors you guys want. Do you do like labeling, branding, like if people want their own?
For sure. We do like private labeling, and we have been specializing on the production of placemat for more than 40 years already.
All right, so you guys hear that, okay? So this is a package deal I'm bringing you guys. If you guys are into this business, this is actually just wonderful. There's more in the back, so I'm gonna have Michael here. He's gonna talk about some of the prices and MOQ, and let's go over. All right, Mr. Mike, come on over. So this is Mike. He is your guy. I met him at the Canton Fair in 2026. So, Michael, tell me about your company and where you based and how you started it.
We are a Hong Kong-based company, but we have been specializing on the production of placemat for more than 45 years in China. And we have more than 100 different material with over 10,000 different design at our collection, all created by US and European designer. And we are a very innovative company. For each Canton Fair, we have new ideas, new material, new design for all our customers.
All right, so you heard him, 40 years, guys, and over 1,000 designs?
10,000.
10,000. Oh, God, totally. I was like, wow, that 1,000 is way too much. But no. 10,000. Michael said, I'm going to go all the way to bring you guys all those different patterns, different colors, and everything. All right. So let's go over some prices, Michael.
All right.
All right. So we're going to go. You can, like I said, what is this one? Comes in package of 3.
Packaging of 4. Set
of 4. Set of 4.
This is like the full leather PU material, which belongs to our luxury collection.
You can hold that.
Yeah, which belongs to our luxury collection. And the price is starting from 59 cents to 98 cents, depending on the type of finishing and type of the pattern that we are going to apply it.
Okay, so when you say 59 cents to 89 cents?
98 cents.
98 cents. Is it per mat or is it for the set?
Per mat.
Per mat. Okay, so holding this in my hand, it comes in package of 4. I'm only holding 3. The quality, the feel is just amazing. The weight, it's just great too. It's not lightweight. It's not a cheap material. These are the luxury set you guys are looking for. You're looking at. So, less than $1, $4 for this set of 4. It's a very high market for you guys. You guys can make a huge profit off of this. Other samples, I mean, if you don't believe me or you don't believe Michael right now over this thing right here, contact. Ask for sample. He can send you a sample. Definitely the price is going to be a little bit different on the sample, but this way you will know what are you looking at and what how you can make money off of this right here. I mean, this is a great opportunity. I wish I was in this business. I will buy this on heartbeat right here. All right.
Actually, we do free sampling for all customers as well. You just need to provide your courier account number so that I can send the free samples to you.
Oh God, I was totally off with that. You had to buy the samples. My bad. I should have asked Michael before about the samples. But hey, guys, free samples. I mean, free sample. Do they have to pay for the shipping or you handle everything?
They have to handle the shipping.
Okay,
yes.
So hey, what else you can ask for? Free sample, guys. And then how many samples they can get?
As many as they want.
So if they want 100 samples, you send them 100 samples?
Of course, it's like different style. From different style, they can help me to promote more.
Okay, well, see, free samples, guys. He said over 100 or more. So you contact Michael here and get your free sample. Feel it before you even think about starting your own business, or if you're already in this field and you're selling placemat for your store or for your online or any business, any type of a business or platform you're into. All right, so get the samples, try out Michael, check out his quality, and I'm sure you're gonna be confused choosing from out of 10,000 different designs, guys, and 10,000 different design, and I believe he said 1,000 different material.
100 different materials.
Oh, 100 different materials.
Yep.
All right, so 100 different materials, 10,000 different designs. Order your free sample. I will give, this is his information right here. Please contact PlaceMat and I'll give you guys his information. This is Michael again, best guy. He's amazing, cool. Contact, let's make money together with Michael. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. If you do like this video, this is more, please like, subscribe and share my video, and don't forget, this will help me to bring more videos, more manufacture for you, and so you guys can actually choose the right manufacturer for you. Don't just buy it randomly, and you're actually talking to the real man right here. Okay, he is the owner, so please don't hesitate, contact Michael. Any question, comment, placemat, I can give you guys more information, and all the information will be in the descriptions, guys. So I'm gonna go over some more video, for more designs, so you guys can see it as well.